were so many questions on that fasting video, so let me answer as many as I can. So obvious trigger warning, I am talking about fasting. If you have any history of disordered eating, now's your time to scroll. Honestly, I could write a book on this. In fact, many people have. So a quick rundown. This is a huge topic, and I'm going to go into more depth in my favorite cult. There's exclusive videos for members with a lot more depth because, as I said, there's a lot here. Links in the usual place. So there's a few different types of fasts. I'm only going to go through a couple because we could be here all day. So intermittent fasting is where you go 12 to 16 hours without food. This is more a lifestyle of fasting, often with lunch being your first meal. Why do people do this? Because after 8 hours of not eating, your body will switch over to ketosis, meaning it's now burning fat instead of sugar. It's actually a far more efficient fuel. You'll get a big boost in mental and physical energy. I mean, really, 12 hours of fasting is really just stop snacking at 9 p.m. and don't eat brekkie till 9, or have dinner at 7 and breakfast at 7. But most people will forego breakfast altogether and just start eating at lunch. Once you hit the 17-hour mark in fasting, now your body goes into a state called autophagy. This is where your body goes, hey, we're not getting any more fuel here. We better go search and make sure that everything is running in peak efficiency. And they'll go hunting for damaged cells and get rid of them. It's a great all-round detox for your body. Also amazing for cleaning up any sort of inflammation you have going on and help balance your hormones. Once you hit 24 hours, you're going to get a burst of stem cells in your gut, and your stomach will start to repair the mucosal lining, helping balance gut bacteria for all those with the icky tummy aches. And will also start to make your dopamine receptors more sensitive. Here's where you're starting to feel calmer. At the 48-hour mark, we are resetting dopamine receptor sites, creating more dopamine receptors, cleaning up dopamine pathways, going to feel anxiety lower significantly and feel a lot calmer. You will notice how much slower I am talking, and I hate it, but still, this is my favorite fast to do every few months. Now, if you push it all the way out to 72-hour fast, don't jump straight into this if you've never done it before. Now you're looking at a big burst of stem cells. Your body is going to go hunting for old injuries to repair, reduce inflammation all around your body, alleviating chronic conditions, and a huge boost to your immune system. Now, what am I eating during these fasts? Water mostly, and lots of it, like double what you normally have, double what you normally should have. But not just water, or you're gonna feel dizzy and fatigued. You need to up those electrolytes, so be adding things like magnesium and salts to your water. You can also have a cup of miso. Vegetable juices can be great, not fruit juices. That will kick your sugar up and you'll get less of the benefits. You can do it, but you will get less of the benefits that I'm talking about. Now, should women and AFAB folk fast differently to men? Yes. And the quickest, easiest explanation is the first 10 days of your cycle, yes. In the last 10 days of your cycle, no, not at all. Now I can go more into how to break a fast and all that jazz, when and how, etc. The TLDR is please don't break a fast with junk food. Don't immediately jump back into your old diet. Start out slow. Otherwise, trust me, you'll have the stomachache of the century. As I said, I can write an entire book on this, but I'm gonna have to stop here. This video's getting long. I hope this helps you at least start your journey. Check out my favorite cult for more in-depth details. Got some great health benefits. Fasting and the cult. Cannot stress enough how amazing you'll feel after a 48-hour fast, especially if your brain is in mode already. Good luck!